welcome back to my channel. Here is a table that me and my husband put together. Very easy. I got the legs from Hobby Lobby, bought a piece of wood from Lowe's, clear stained it. I only put it together just to give you a quick idea of if you need to throw a table together, for company coming over last minute, or just to decorate something different. So the plan is to do what you want to do with it. You could paint it, stain it, your choice. Easy altogether. I think it was like 80 bucks for everything. So here I just moved my couch there, the love seat, just to show you how it would look if you put it behind your couch. If you need an extra seating area for a dinner party or just apartment and you don't have a dining room and you have the space to do that, you could just put that behind the couch and add some chairs to it. Or you could put it like this behind the couch if you need a console table. Right here I put it behind the couch and I added a fan and some greenery. Well, thank you for visiting my channel.